Welcome DP Sogong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever feel like your brilliant ideas are just floating in the digital ether? You've got files, notes, AI suggestions, but can you actually prove where a conclusion came from? Or why you changed a plan? That's the cognitive chaos we're tackling today. So what is this magic box? It's called DIKWP OS. Think of it as a super smart filing cabinet, but for your brain power. It's built on the idea of connecting everything, raw data, info, knowledge, wisdom, and intent, into a mesh. No more scattered bits. It takes all those messy materials, reasoning steps, mentor comments, even AI help, and bundles them into one clear, traceable package. The key is making the invisible visible, showing how evidence leads to decisions, keeping humans in the driver's seat while AI assists, not dictates. It's about building a solid foundation for understanding and discussion, right from the start. Okay, why should you care? Three big reasons. First, it tackles the mess head-on. Instead of drowning in separate documents, it weaves them into a coherent story reviewers can follow. Second, it brings transparency to AI use. Those helpful suggestions, they're logged as assistance, not gospel. You can see the AI's input, compare versions, and clearly state why you tweaked or rejected something. Accountability stays firmly human. Third, it breaks down silos. Students, mentors, researchers, trainers, everyone can jump in, add their 2 cents, assign tasks, and keep the conversation flowing around the same evolving evidence base. This isn't just a tool for one project, it's a reusable system for better governance and learning. How does this wizardry actually happen? It's pretty straightforward. You gather your stuff, documents, goals, constraints, the usual suspects. Then the system uses that DIKWP mesh to organize it, creating an initial evidence file and highlighting key questions. From there, you can generate plans, draft discussions, or set up training tasks. The real power kicks in during review. People examine the evidence, add comments, correct assumptions, and crucially, record why they made each decision or revision. Every step, every update, every feedback loop gets captured. It turns a potentially chaotic process into something structured, transparent, and constantly improvable. For anyone doing complex work, this makes assessment and iteration way less painful. So, what's the bottom line? DK CogniCeiling OS is your personal assistant for untangling the knots of complex thinking. It takes the cognitive chaos and gives you clarity. Whether you're a student wrestling with research, a researcher pushing boundaries, or an innovator leading a team, this approach helps make your work smarter, more accountable, and ultimately more effective. Check out the GitHub link if you want to see how it works.